Hey guys, it's Ashailas here. Welcome to my channel. If you have a laptop that drains the battery fast, this video will help you determine how to identify your battery issues and when to replace your battery. So without any delay, let's dive into the video. As the first step, let's open up command prompt, open run and type cmd, hit OK. And on the command prompt page, type power cfg as one word space / battery report. Hit enter. This will generate your battery life report on C drive. Copy the file path, open up a browser and paste it on the search bar. This is your battery report. As you see, you can see the recent usage of your battery. It will give you an overall report of your battery. So when you scroll down, you can see the recent usage. You can see the battery usage graph. You can see usage history after every usage cycle, battery capacity history, and battery life estimates. When you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see the battery life since you installed the operating system. Let's scroll all the way to the top, and here you can see the full charge capacity and design capacity. I'll show you how to calculate the percentage. So type full charge capacity, which is 32,433, divided by design capacity, which is 45,030, and multiply by 100 to get the exact percentage of your battery health. So my computer's battery is at 72.02, so roughly 72%. For a computer that has been used for almost 3 years, that's a pretty good number. If you rely heavily on your laptop, consider replacing the battery when it reaches 60 to 70% health to avoid any interruptions. But if the battery percentage is less than 60%, I would highly recommend you replacing the battery. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope it's helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will respond as soon as possible. I'll see you on my next video. Until then, peace out.